Hi everyone, my name is Pallav Sethia. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Citispotter Limited. We are a Cambridge-based startup helping businesses to create consistent, inclusive, and safer content. Content, if not controlled, can result into great fiasco. A simple mistake in the speech of KPMG's UK chair Bill Michael resulted into bad communication and eventually got him sacked. It's not limited to an individual. Brands and organizations are facing a major challenge in the form of negative, non-inclusive, and damaging content being generated in their communication channels on a regular basis. The need for making sure that the content is consistent, inclusive, and safe is becoming of utmost importance, not only to safeguard themselves from the PR disasters, but also to improve their net promoter scores. Content laws are coming in worldwide. Brands are faced with a major challenge in the form of content regulations, which can result into stiff fines and penalties, leading to increased burden of content moderation costs. With stringent content laws being enacted worldwide, it is no more an ethical obligation, but a legal responsibility to act against it. Enterprises are losing their customers, incurring brand damages and loss of sales and revenue because of the inconsistent and non-inclusive messaging mistakes performed by their team members. Citispotters aims to solve this pressing issue with its AI-powered content assistant to help corporates make sure their content adheres to the brand values and guidelines. Brands can now control their messaging by creating custom style guides for their teams. The platform also flags tone and language that is insensitive or could be considered negative. Let me show you the demonstration of the tool.
In this demo, the brand uses Citispotter content analysis platform to make sure that brand messaging is consistent, inclusive, safer, and engaging. This is an example of a customer email. Once the Analyze button is clicked, on the right side, the analysis is presented. Here, the reading score is shown to be 7, which says it is fairly easy to read, as you can see in the scale. In the style section, the terms which don't adhere to the brand guidelines are highlighted. Here the brand guidelines are set by the brands themselves using the style guide functionality. In the style section, the SIR word is identified as non-inclusive term and an inclusive term is suggested instead. Similarly, other keywords are also identified with their replacements. In the clarity section, it identifies the passive sentences which can be changed to active voice depending on the brand voice. The emotion section shows that the text is mostly joy. The tone section shows that the text is mostly positive. In the grammar and spelling section, you can identify grammar and spelling errors.
The global market opportunity for content marketing is $470 billion worldwide. We will be entering through the UK market, which is worth $24 billion at this stage. And then we plan to expand our operations to US and Indian markets. We support UN SDG goals 3, 5, and 16. Last year, we won the Oslo Innovation Week under Equality Track and got accelerated by Cambridge Sustainability Leadership Institute. We are currently part of 2 accelerators and are in discussion with 3 corporates and universities for pilots. We have 2 business models. The subscription model is targeted towards businesses who will be able to access the platform by buying subscriptions on monthly and yearly basis. Our secondary model of API licensing will enable business to license our technology for on-premise solutions. We have been covered by national and international media, won many awards and competition throughout this journey. Our technology can be extended to various verticals through third-party plugins within existing CMS systems and browsers. We are a team of 5. Me and Dushan both come from strong entrepreneurial and technical backgrounds. I'm a computer science engineer and a graduate from Cranfield University in Management and Entrepreneurship. Dushyant is a graduate in entrepreneurship from Cambridge University and certified data scientist from IIM Indore. We are accompanied by 3 brilliant and energetic team members. We are very fortunate to have an esteemed panel of mentors guiding and supporting us in this journey. We are looking for pilot opportunities and partnership opportunities. If you are interested, please get in touch. Thank you very much for your time, and I'm happy to answer any questions.
Great, thank you so much for your presentation, Pallav. And let's kick off the Q&A. Shan, I see your hand is up, so you can go next. And after you, I will ask Karn for his question.
Hi, thank you very much. That was fantastic. I actually have a couple of questions. One was around the pilots. It would be great if you can provide any context about one of them at least. And then also, I want to know how you ensure accuracy. I mean, that is very smart, the fact that it can detect the emotion, for example, of the text. So I just want to understand how you made sure that it's accurate.
Yes, so currently so I'll answer the emotion one and then I'll come to the pilot. So currently the accuracy for all of our models is 90 plus. We are constantly improving our models with unsupervised and semi-supervised learning methodologies. So basically we are collecting data from all sources from the internet. We are not relying on the public data sets. So we are creating the proprietary data sets to improve it. And regarding the pilot, we are currently in conversation with the marketing agencies and few corporates. I cannot name the corporates, but I can easily tell you that the marketing agencies are from the Cambridge area, and they are interested because they are working for their for various brands, and they have the need for this product to right now the brand style guide and everything is manual, and it takes a lot of stuff, a lot of effort, to correct, do the proofreading and everything. So our product automates the whole process and make it easier for them.
Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you. Karn?
Yeah, thanks. Really good presentation. Thanks, Pallav.
Thank you.
I'm interested to find out more about the sort of algorithm and sort of what goes into that, just because inclusion and diversity is quite a rapidly changing field, and how do you make sure that there's enough diversity of thought that goes into how the algorithm is set up?
So right now, what we have done is we have collected the data from various different geographies and made sure that all the demographics have been recorded so that we can understand what data is coming from which geography. We are also depending on dictionary. So it's a combination of algorithm plus dictionaries, and we are constantly working to improve it. Currently, we have for the inclusion itself, we have more than 3,000 phrases which are unique to us, and we are constantly improving it.
Thank you.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Pallav, for your presentation.
Thank you very much.